In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your country in the Google Play Store. Changing your Play Store country can be really useful if you've moved to a new country, or if you want to access apps, games, movies, or books that are only available in a specific region. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the process step by step, explain what each part means, and share some important tips so you don't run into problems later. First, grab your Android device and open the Google Play Store app. Make sure you're signed in with the Google account you actually use for purchases, because the country setting is tied to that account. If you have multiple accounts on your phone, double-check which one is active by tapping your profile icon in the top right corner and confirming the email shown there. Next, tap that same profile icon and choose Settings. From there, go to General, and then look for Account and Device Preferences. This is where Google keeps options related to your country and profile. Scroll until you see something like Country and Profiles, or Switch to the new country Play Store. If you don't see the option, there are a few things to keep in mind. Google usually only lets you change your Play Store country once a year. Also, you need to actually be in the new country, with a valid payment method from there, like a local credit or debit card. Using a VPN often won't work and can even cause issues with your account, so it's better to avoid that. When the new country option appears, tap it. You'll be asked to add a payment method for that country. Follow the prompts and enter your local payment details carefully, making sure the billing address matches the country you're switching to. This helps Google confirm that you really are based there. After you confirm, the Play Store may take a little while to fully update. You might notice that prices switch to the local currency, and that recommended apps and content start to match your new region. Some apps you previously installed might no longer be available in the new country. They'll usually keep working, but you might not see them listed for new installs. Remember, you can only change your country about once every 12 months, and your remaining balance in the old country usually stays tied to that region. So, if possible, use up any existing Play balance before switching. And that's it. By following these steps carefully, you'll have your Google Play Store country updated and ready for your new location.